Hi, I'm Kyle, Product Manager at Smart Technologies. Today I'm here to outline some of the features of our new SmartBoard 6000S series. Not only is it different, it is a revolutionary improvement from the 6000 series. The new 6000S series is Smart's performance interactive display in the K-12 segment. And while both the MX and the 6000S form the core of our K-12 offering, the 6000S is positioned as a superior product line, offering the best combination of ease of use, collaboration features, along with the latest technologies that are exclusive to Smart. Let's start with what's similar. Like the 6000 series, the 6000S family delivers a stunning 4K Ultra HD viewing experience with two differentiated pens, red and black, with Pen ID, which allows students the ability to write in different colors at the same time. But that's where the similarities end. The 6000S series is now available in three different sizes, 65-inch, 75-inch, and an 86-inch, all with ENERGY STAR certification. We feel that educators will be most excited about our patented and exclusive ToolSense technology. Here, the 6000S is able to recognize virtually unlimited number of education-specific tools that can be integrated into a diverse range of subjects and curriculum and can be adopted by a variety of students' needs and learning styles. Not only can numerous pens be recognized, such as colored pens, special pens, and highlighters, but other block tools like erasers, protractors, stamps, and more can be recognized with ToolSense. This can be truly beneficial to subjects like mathematics, the sciences, and can benefit students in early education, students with special needs, students with different learning styles like kinesthetic learners. What comes standard are two pens, both red and black, and two block erasers. Again, this is an industry first and exclusive to Smart. We're excited about all the possibilities this offers to educators to boost student outcomes. The iQ Android experience comes standard. Now you won't need to install the AM40 or AM50 appliance. iQ has built directly into the display. This in itself not only reduces installation complexity, but provides better performance and responsiveness. For example, the switching time to and from iQ and video inputs has been reduced. Additionally, ink latency has been improved for an even faster writing experience. We've added dedicated iQ home button in the bezel, and automatic over-the-air updates ensure customers have the most up-to-date iQ features and capabilities. Finally, since iQ is built directly into the panel, the OPS expansion spot has been freed up to accommodate Smart OPS PC running Windows 10 Pro. We're transitioning away from the optical or camera-based DVI-T technology and replacing with HyperTouch within glass on the 6000S. Here, you'll experience a remarkably natural writing and touch experience with improvements in accuracy and ink latency, all optimized for the SmartBoard 6000S series. 20 simultaneous touch points are supported on both Windows and Mac. Unlike the competitors who only offer single touch on Mac, Smart customers have the right level support on either platform. Along the side, we've introduced a convenience panel, which was first introduced on the 7000 series. Here, educators will have access to power, volume, freeze frame, which allows educators to pause on any video input, such as a document camera, an Apple TV, or a DVD player, then pick up a pen and ink over the screen capture, then save directly to the iQ's files library. This is a great feature that allows spontaneous interactivity with any content. The screen shade helps to instantly hide content, and finally, you can easily access USB and HDMI ports. Compared to the 6000 series, the 6000S has been upgraded to include USB 3.0 Super Speed, offering 10 times faster transfer speeds, which is great for performance on high bandwidth peripherals. The HDMI ports also have been updated to include HDMI 2.0, now supporting HDCP 2.2. The speakers have also been improved. Two 20-watt forward-facing speakers enhance the multimedia experience and intelligibility of spoken words anywhere in the learning environment. Even better, we've introduced a temperature, humidity, and ambient light sensors to help administrators ensure students have the optimal environmental conditions for effective learning. And now, we're even including a remote control and a wall bracket. Of course, let's not forget that the SmartBoard 6000S series still has numerous exclusive features and reasons why it is an industry-leading product, from free learning software from iQ, Smart Notebook Basic version, Smart Ink, and a bonus 1-year subscription to Smart Learning Suite software. Simultaneous tool differentiation for industry-leading collaboration, object awareness, commercial-grade panels, accelerated life testing, safety, regulatory, and environmental certifications, fully certified ports, and there's so much more. The 6000 series is our most popular interactive display, and we're confident that the revolutionary updates in the 6000S series will help ensure that you have a leading, education-focused interactive displays that meets your customers' needs.